Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine at your home. So welcome to my channel. So in this channel, as you all know, I try to give you the solutions of questions which are asked in CSIR NET and GATE Physics previous exams. So today we will be discussing a question which was asked in NET June session in the year 2012. So let us start the question and read it and try to understand it. Let y of x be a continuous real function in the range 0 and 2 pi, satisfying the inhomogeneous differential equation sin x d2y upon dx2 plus cos x dy by dx is equal to del of x minus pi by 2. The value of dy by dx at point x equal to pi by 2, and here four options are given, is continuous. Second is has discontinuity of 3. Third option C is has discontinuity of 1 by 3, and D option is has discontinuity of 1. So by looking at the question we can easily make a guess that it is a question from the topic mathematical physics, and generally the second order differential equations is an important topic. So let us proceed to the solution and try to understand it in the stepwise manner. First of all, what we will do is we will make this second order differential equation into the standard form. So for this we have to divide on both hand sides by the quantity sin x. So after dividing on both hand sides by sin x, we will obtain d2y upon dx2 plus cot x dy by dx. Here cos x upon sin x is cot x, and here 1 upon cosec x sin x will be cosec x delta x minus pi by 2. So now what is different here is this term delta x minus pi by 2. This term is not is different from the remaining terms, and this we will, if we observe it carefully, this is a Dirac delta function and it will satisfy the Dirac delta property of that function. So before this, what we will do is we will integrate on both the sides. So we will obtain d2y upon dx2 integration plus cot x integration of dy by dx with respect to integrand x, and integration of cos x delta x minus pi by 2 with respect to dx. So after integration on both the sides, we will obtain, this will be integrated and obtain it as dy by dx, and here dy by dx and dx, integration and differentiation of y, so they will cancel each other, so it will be simply written as y cot x y, and here we will write this expression as same. RHS will remain the same, integral cosec x delta of x minus pi by 2. Now we have solved simplified LHS. Now we will focus more on the RHS. So as we have discussed earlier that this is a Dirac delta function, so we will follow the property, use the property of Dirac delta function. So what is the property? Let us see. If any expression is given in this form, integration f of x delta x minus a, then its value will be given by f of a, where a is any point. Now here, according to this question, we will substitute the values. Integral cosec x delta x minus pi by 2, here a is pi by 2, f of x is cosec x, and here f of a will be cosec of pi by 2, x is replaced by value a, cosec pi by 2, and cosec pi by 2 is 1. So what we will obtain as, we will replace RHS by its value 1 and LHS will remain the same. So dy by dx plus y cot x equal to 1. Now here, keeping dy by dx on LHS and the remaining things, we will put them in the RHS side. So we will obtain the expression for dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y cot x. So this is the resultant final expression for dy by dx. Now according to question, it is given that at x is equal to pi by 2, the point is given x equal to pi by 2. So now we will obtain dy by dx at x equal to pi by 2. So now x equal to pi by 2, it will be 1 minus y cot of pi by 2. Cot pi by 2 is 0, so we will obtain it as 1. Now again we will obtain dy by dx at point x equal to 0. So we will replace here x by 0. So 1 minus cot 0. 1 minus cot 0 is infinity, so 1 minus infinity is infinity. Now again dy by dx at another point x equal to pi, we will replace cot x by cot pi, 1 minus y cot pi. Cot pi is again infinity, so we will obtain it as infinity. So if we observe the value of dy by dx carefully, we will see that at point x is equal to pi by 2, dy by dx is 1, but at point just above it, that is pi, and just below it, that is 0, it is not defined, it is discontinuous, its value is infinity. So for example, it is 0, the point is 0, the point is pi by 2, and then pi. Just add 0, and at point pi it is infinity, and at pi by 2 it is equal to 1. So it has a discontinuity at point 1. Okay, at discontinuity at point x equal to pi by 2, and what is the value of that discontinuity? That will be 1. So we have to carefully observe the values, how it is changing at different points for the expression dy by dx. So dy by dx is undefined, that is infinity, above the point which is pi by 2, and also below it. Dy by dx has discontinuity at x equal to pi by 2, because at x equal to pi by 2 it is 1, but the value of dy by dx just below it and just above it, both are undefined, that is infinity. So we can say that at point x equal to pi by 2, it is discontinuous with discontinuity equal to 1. So the correct option will be D. Let us see here. D is the discontinuity of 1 at x equal to pi by 2. So we have to carefully observe the values. So I hope friends you have understood the solution. Thank you.